Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay, and today we will be reviewing the Cyma Scar. Scar. Yes, Scar. The Cyma Scar is a gel blaster that is quite old with me. It's been a year already. And it's one of my favorite units because it looks cool. Cool. Very cool. And it's very nice quality. It is an all nylon construction, mostly nylon plastic. There's very few metal parts. It has other screws. Yep, all nylon. Trades, non-existent. Most probably they don't have coordination with the manufacturer, so they didn't put any trades. See, nothing, literally nothing. Features, it's the usual. Say, I don't know, auto, semi, safe, magazine release, magazine prime. It has a folding buttstock, which is nice. It has a fold thick rest. Too high. Battery space, it is very limited. But good thing it fits the, what do you call that one? What's that battery? My battery at the back, it has what's this one? This is Blitz. It fits really, really well. And one of also the downside of this one is it uses this buttstock that is rubberized and starting to degrade after 1 year. Let's see, degradation. Well, it's rubber. What do you expect? And this uses a pin, so you need to be careful. If it falls down, you're doomed. BB capacity, it uses the standard Cyma magazine. So I don't know if I'm going to call it a demerit, but it's not that much. It's more or less same as a Gen 8 mag. Although I already have made a magazine adapter for this one, so you can do the double mags or battle mags for extra ammo. Weight, not much. It's 1 point something kilos. In this scenario, it is a little bit heavy because of my very heavy Gamo sight. It's a magnified sight with optical sight here, so that's nice. Oh, it also have a folding sight here, but I don't know if that's useful. It's more or less a design. Upgrades, since this uses a standard version 2 type gearbox, there's lots of upgrades. It uses a standard 480 long motor, so can really pump it up. So it's nice. FPS is usually 200 FPS out of the box. It uses it has also a red metal outer barrel, so it looks cool, but it's a little bit too long until here. So uses the Jingji hop up because of the too long barrel, actually longer than the PDX. Uh, for better results with the hop up should reach the thread. I mean, the barrel should reach the end of the thread, so it will hold the barrel down. There will be no vibrations and better range. This one, oops, semi, easily reaches my 10-meter range, so it's really nice. It's one of my it was one of my dream units on airsoft, but it's too expensive in airsoft. Good thing I already have a gel blaster variant, which is good enough. It has a proper folding stock, which really locks in place. So for CQB, it's nice. Price, oof. Is there still anyone selling this one? The Cyma variants are not that popular because of the proprietary mag, but before it's 4 or 5,000 pesos. I do not remember anymore. I actually don't remember if this is I got this second hand or brand new. Probably brand new or second hand. I don't know anymore. Eh, as long as I have it, that's what's important. Overview. It's not acquired taste. Yes, it is an acquired taste. Uh, since it's a Scar, it has complete top, bottom left, rails, but the buttstock is non-removable to a different one, so it's not for everybody. And oh, I forgot, this is also extendable, but for some reason it doesn't want to extend. It's maybe because of the battery that I have inside. Oh, it's extendable. Oh, why cannot I use? Is it too far? Oh, there. It's a little. It has a zero. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Ching!